Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, good night, wherever you are watching and listening from. This is our Heartfelt Forest Academy. Today ought to be our Heartfelt weekly analysis, all right? But I will not be giving that. I'll be doing only two things, all right? I'll be doing two things. The reason why I'm not giving our Heartfelt bias for today is because the data at my disposal for DSY, the FX triad, is conflicting. So I don't want to, you know, go into that for today unless the market is cleared on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right. So there are two things I will be doing today. I will give you a market overview on the FX squared, DXY, USD, and GBPUSD. Okay. Then the second thing for CRT traders, CRT lovers, I will be giving a kind of what to anticipate for about four currency pairs. For those of you that trade Euro GBP, Euro AUD, GBPJPY, and AUDJPY. There are a whole lot of opportunity for this week for other currency pair outside USD, GBPUSD, and USD. So I just want to try as much as possible to make this video very snappy. So please bear with me, bear with me. I'm doing two things. I want to do market overview, but I'm not giving heartfelt bias. No, for those of you who have been following us, I'm not giving heartfelt bias for today because we are having some conflicting data on the FX triad. All right, but I will give you an overview of what to probably look out for. All right, then for CRT traders, it's been everywhere now. So I'm just giving you a few tips of what you should look out for on few currency pairs. I will ready. So please, if you are still out there not a subscriber of this channel, please do us good, do yourself good also to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and share to others. The more we grow, I have a whole lot of things to be dropping as we grow this channel. Don't forget, we grow by growing others. So let's hop into the chart on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame on DXY and weekly time frame, you can see this place I measured the 50% of these imbalance was where we anticipated last week, and price has successfully hit it. And if you are using your fib retracement from this point here, right, from this point here, that swing high to this swing high on your fib retracement, you will see this point where DSY is within the 61%, approximately 61%, right, of the fib retracement, right. So it is sensitive areas. That's why I marked it, and the next target is the top here. But since the price has retraced, all right, within that angle, we might be looking for a little retracement, all right, little retracement. There's an FVG here, so price can as well go into 50% of this week or above the week and drop into the FVG, all right, or might start going into the FVG first for the other one. So all right, so be sensitive and be sensitive to this area, and discipline. We are taking a trade on that. But on the overall, on the weekly, DSY is still bullish there. All right, but there's still room for retracement. Okay, market does not keep on going to a direction all the time. Then on Euro USD, you can see the Euro USD. We anticipated the previous week low before this current week candle came up, and we hit that. We were anticipating this low before, and you can see price is yet to get to that area, but DSY is at the key zone or key level. All right, so anything can happen. Price can drop down to 50% here and push back up. You can see here there's a volume imbalance. All right, there's a volume imbalance here, right? The volume imbalance, and there's also those volume imbalance can also be can serve as an FPG. It's also part of an FPG, right? There's also a volume imbalance here, right? There's also volume imbalance here on FPG here, all right? So anything can happen. Price can trade down and push up, and push up first before going down. So let's anticipate probably price can push down a little bit into 50% here or into any of the key level before pushing up into any of those key levels above. All right, that is for Euro USD. On GBP USD, you can see here the area I marked, if you followed my analysis last week, was where we anticipated a price are successfully taking those areas we anticipated. All right, and price closed inside with the previous candle, and they're closed inside. So what is it saying for those of us that trade CRT2? You can see that probably price is about pushing up a little bit, pushing up into, all right, into the FVG here, or this imbalance. All right, so what are you going to anticipate? Probably market can as well come into this 50% of this week, the week of this just concluded closed candle. Market can drop into the week, right, the 50% of the week. All right, so before pushing up to take this high, then probably the next target should be the FVG here. All right, on the weekly, right. So that is that for GBPUSD. So I urge you to trade safe and be careful while taking those trades. So for the CRT traders, I want to go straight to the other currency pairs that you should look out for if you are to take a trade on them. All right, all right. So on for CRT lovers, this is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. What should you anticipate? You should anticipate market to go bullish. So when price opens, when market opens, what do? Wait for price to go down, right? Look for a key level. Look for PD areas or PD arrays, all right, within these bullish candles. All right, market is opening any moment from now. So on Monday, look for price to retreat into any of those key levels, and you take a buy into this area. All right, after buying, the last target should be the high of this candle. So if you are trading CR, if you are a CRT trader, this is what you look at for Euro AUD. All right, then for this is for Euro GBP. Euro GBP, you can also go bullish if you trade Euro GBP. All right, so if you trade this concept too, this is what you should hunt for. You want to go for, you wait for price. Once market open on Monday, wait for price to retrace depending on your key zone, right? Wait for price to retrace down into the PD array on this last bullish candle here that closed inside. Then you take a buy. First of all, target your 50%. Don't forget, for every CRD trader, the first thing you target is 50%, and this should be your last target on Euro GBP. Okay. Then on GBPJPY, this is what you have to anticipate. Go for a bearish move. All right, bearish move. There is look at this candle here. There is already a total soup, right? So look for an entry within this just closed candle and trade into your 50%. You take partials, and this should be your last target on this setup on GBPJPY. All right, so let's also check the last one I'll be giving to you is AUDJPY. AUDJPY. Yes, for AUDJPY, these are the draws on liquidities and the areas you should be target. All right, you can go bearish on AUDJPY. AUDJPY. All right, you can see price has already, there's a total soup here. All right, price has closed inside here. So you look for an entry on Monday. Look for price to retrace into either of those PD arrays. All right, and you take a sell. Target 50% of this bullish candle. All right, close your entries and wait for price to take first the liquidity below here. All right, that is your first the second target, and the third target is your this draw on liquidity here, and the last one is here. All right, so it's a long way, but if you have taken this the low here, you should be good. So we have about 3 targets here. 50% of this bullish candle, 1, and the low of this bullish candle, 2, and this candle, 3. All right, this swing low, 3, and this last low here is the 4th one that leads to this volume. I say volume, yeah, this imbalance. We have a lot of imbalance here. All right, so It's a long way for AUDJPY, but your target for this week from me to you is your 50% here and the low of its CRT. All right, so that is that. So if you're joining us for the first time, please, or if you've been out there, subscribe to this channel and like and share this video, and I'll be giving you more updates as we progresses. But if you are confused of any trades, come into the free Telegram channel. Go through the description and you see our link for Telegram channel, and we should be able to guide you when necessary. It is all free. Don't be scared of anything. All right, till we meet next weekend or this weekend, Saturday, I'll be giving you update on what happened in the market. God bless you, and I wish you the best trading week ever. Have a nice week.